Kung naghahanap ka ng affordable house and lot na may 4 bedrooms at may parking pa, sandali lang, baka ito na ang hinahanap mo. Available ngayon ang isang complete house and lot na perfect para sa pamilya. Spacious, practical at ready for move-in feel. Price, 4.8 million. At ang maganda dito, kasama na ang capital gains tax at documentary stamps sa presyo. Here are the property features. Lot area approximately 60 square meters, floor area around 70 square meters. Inside the house, you get 4 bedrooms, enough space for the whole family, 2 toilets and baths, car garage, secured parking for your vehicle, balcony, perfect for relaxing mornings or evening hangouts. Fence and gate included for privacy and security. At kailangan lang tandaan, transfer cost of the title will be shouldered by the buyer. Sa presyo na 4.8M for a 4-bedroom house with parking and balcony, bihira ang ganitong opportunity. Kung naghahanap ka ng bahay para sa pamilya mo o investment property na sulit, this might be the one. Message now to inquire and schedule a viewing. Baka ito na ang bahay na matagal mo nang hinahanap.